Alan, this is serious. I could lose her forever.
Wow. And you care?
I love her, Alan. She's the only one I ever thought I might eventually wind up with.
Eventually wind up with. I'm touched. So you want to what? Keep her warming up in your bullpen until the bottom of the ninth when you lose your arm?
Okay, I don't know how we got onto sports. But the thing is, I really care for Lisa, and she needs to believe I'm capable of changing.
But the thing is, you're not.
You don't know that. I might be. Who knows what would happen if I actually tried?
You're really serious about this.
Alan, I've got a 200-pound turkey melting in my lap. What do you think?